Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical tool, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do that, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this pin or lever you can pull on. And basically how it works is you need to pull on this pin, and once you pull on it, you will be able to pull out the strap from the watch. So let's try to do this. Sometimes it's pretty hard to grab it, but once you pull on it, you will be able to take out the strap. Same on the other side, like this. And here we have our watch and our straps, as you can see. And how the mechanism works is quite simple. Basically you have holes on the watch on each side. We have one here and one here, and we have pins on the strap on each side, and those pins are locked in the holes on the watch. And once you pull on this lever, you basically retract the pin, and once it retracts, it will basically let you to pull out the strap out of the watch. And let's say you have a new straps and you want to put them on. You grab the strap, you take the side opposite of the lever rather, then you insert it into a hole on the watch, then pull on the lever, come on, retract the pin, align it with the other hole, and then release it. Sometimes it's a bit of a struggle, so let's try it. Okay, no, should be good enough. Oh, okay, now it clicked in, and once it clicks in, it will hold. So basically you need to fiddle around with it, and once you hit the right spot, it will just click in, lock in, like that, and it will hold on the watch. Okay, and that's how you change these straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.